Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I bring you a full face testing out makeup that is really hyped right now. Like all this makeup that I'm using, okay, most of it is just being super hyped, talked about, viral, whatever you want to call it. But I'm also mixing in products that I showed you in my Sephora haul. If you haven't watched that, you can click somewhere up here and watch that first if you want to see what I got and then come back. If not, no worries, I will be showing you what I used anyways. So I have a lot of exciting products to share with you guys. Everything is high-end makeup, so if this is not the type of videos you like, maybe I'll catch you on the next one. But if you enjoy a full face of high-end makeup, then this is for you. So you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's video. We're gonna start off with the brows today. I usually almost never start off with no brows. Low-key, I am really insecure without my brows. They're just so sparse and thin. They're so far apart. They're not it. But we're going to test out two products, okay? So I have here the brand new Dominique Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade Soft Black. I have seen this all over my TikTok. So the reason why this has gained so much popularity is because one, it comes with its own spoolie and it comes with a little sharpener right here, if you guys can see that. That is so creative. Nothing I've ever seen before. When you open it, I have tried this, by the way, a few times, and let me tell you that I do love it. It is a slanted shape. It's very unique. And again, because it does come with a pencil sharpener, it allows you to clean it up and get that precision. So it makes it super, super sharp, which is exactly what I am going to be doing. On my right side, I will be using the Dominique Cosmetics. I'm just going to show you guys how I use it and how it performs so you can see it for yourself. And then on my left side, I will be using the Kosas Brow Pop Nano. So this is also all over on my TikTok page. The reason why is because this one is super itty bitty. Do you guys see how tiny that is? It's supposed to just really help pretty much fill in your brows without doing too much. I typically use a lot of brow products, so we're going to see if this really does the job. So let's go right in. Also, I am having a glass of wine. Don't worry, it is past noon. I had a really rough night, you guys. I hardly slept and my brain is just not braining today, to be honest. So we're just gonna sip some wine together, okay? So I'm gonna start off again with the Dominique Cosmetics eyebrow pencil on this side, and I'm just drawing the bottom of my brow. And then I'm gonna flip it to where it lays flat, and it allows you to easily fill in the brows. So this brow pencil is just elite. This is the GOAT. This is the brow pencil that you need. And also once you get it nice and sharp, this also allows for you to draw in faux hairs at the front, which for me is a game changer because I constantly draw in my little hairs since I am bald. So yes, this one is definitely a must. Definitely try it. Add it to your wish list, your Christmas wish list, whatever you want, but you need this. I'm telling you right now. Do you guys see how tiny that is? So the reason I've seen girlies love this is because it really draws in like faux hairs since it is so small. We're gonna see about that. Okay, that actually, wow. Because it is so tiny, it literally draws in the smallest hairs. Ooh, you guys, I don't know. They're both really good. Obviously, I need to finish this brow, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do that off camera. Both of these are so good. I'm still gonna go with the Dominique. I like this concept so much better. But this one is really nice. I think if you already have fuller brows and you just kind of need to quickly fill them in, definitely pick up the Kosas. I will have a link in the description box. I'm going to use this Tower 28 facial spray. I did spray it on the other day and honestly, I didn't really like it. I don't know, it's a smell. It smells like like alcohol water, like pool water. I don't know. It has a weird scent, but people rave about this. So I'm going to go in with my Cali Ray So Blown Clean Blurring Primer with collagen and peptides. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. What does this smell like? Oh, what does that smell like? I can't point. I can't tell what this smells like, but it smells so good. A pretty good job at minimizing the pores. I'm going to take a little bit more, and then I'm just going to rub it on the forehead. Okay. I like it. I really like it. Let's see if it keeps me matte all day. It doesn't claim to, but I am hoping it doesn't make me too oily. I'm going to be mixing the Drunk Elephant Be Goldy Bright Drops with 5% niacinamide. Oh my gosh. So these, again, I've seen them all over my TikTok. Now the question is, I have the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection. I do want to use this, but I just got the new REM or the REM Beauty Foundation. I am in the shade Medium 6G, and I think we're going to go with this one for today. I will definitely use this in my next video for you guys, but because it's this new, I really want to try it. This one says, blur skin to soft focus perfection with this lightweight foundation infused with REM Hydra Smooth Essence and botanicals known to help correct dullness and reduce the look of pores and hyperpigmentation. Gently shake, apply to center face, and blend outward with a foundation brush or beauty sponge. I didn't pick up the brush because I have so many brushes, and I recently started using the Mario one, so I was like, I don't need it, but I did get this one for free. So we are gonna try the sponge, which is really, oh, that's actually really pretty. It's like a light taupey gray, and it looks like this. So I am going to use this. I am so excited. I've seen really good reviews so far. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it is a little bit on the thicker side, and I'm gonna do pretty much the full pump all over the face. We'll see if one is enough. I'm just gonna use a little bit because I don't want my skin to be like crazy dewy. Okay, now. This foundation is supposed to be more matte, so if it looks dewy, it's because of the brightening drops, not the foundation itself. I'm gonna go ahead and start blending it. Oh, this blends really nice. Oh my goodness, you guys. Wow. This foundation looks amazing on my skin. I think the blurring primer also made a huge difference, but wow, my skin looks so good. Do you guys see this? Look at how blurred it looks. Oh my gosh, this foundation is definitely a winner for me. It is so pretty. I can tell you though that this isn't going to be the best foundation if you have dry, patchy skin, because it is going to accentuate those dry patches. But for me, that I'm a little bit oily but not dry, mwah, chef's kiss. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Okay, so we have two concealers. Actually, we have a few different concealers. I have the new Tower 28 concealer, which is this one right here. And then I also have the Makeup Forever, which is another new one. And then we have the Mario. I have already tested the Mario one, but I think I want to do like a side-by-side comparison of the Mario versus the Tower 28. So since those are the most popular ones, and then I'm going to use the Makeup Forever a little bit on the top. So let's go on the left side and go in with a Tower 28. This one is in MDR9. So I'm going to take a little bit of this concealer and I'm going to tap it in here. So this is supposed to be a hydrating, non-comedogenic concealer that glides on like a serum and has the medium buildable coverage power to instantly cover dark circles, redness, and blemishes. This also has a very nice like hydrating serum feel to it. I mean, obviously it's a hydrating serum concealer, so you can expect that. I'm going to take a little bit of this Makeup Forever HD Skin Concealer. This one I have tried it already on its own, and I do have to say that it's not as full coverage as this one or the Mario. So I'm going to tap it in here, which is where I want a little bit more of that coverage. That looks beautiful. I am in love with this side. I am a 280 in the Mario concealer. This one is going to be a little bit more yellow. I'm just going to use that same brush. I don't think it'll make a difference, honestly. Difference is immediate. The Mario concealer gives you more coverage, but it doesn't have such a radiant serum-like finish as the Tower 28. It does look really pretty, but I almost prefer this side, you guys. Oh my gosh. I recently ordered the Curve Case Cream Palette from Mitchell. And it came in, I think, during the weekend, and I have been using it because I just couldn't wait. So I'm going to show you guys how I've been using this product and why you need it, okay? Just kidding. So I'm going to take, I think, which one? I'm going to use this one. Yeah, I'm going to mix these two. So these are cream bronzers, and they are beautiful, okay? I don't think I've ever ordered anything from Mr. Mitchell. He is a UK makeup artist. If you don't know, now you know. I do have the Mario blush to try with you guys. I ended up returning the Patrick Ta because I wanted to change it for his new color, like that really pretty wine color, but they didn't have it. They were out of stock, so I ended up just returning it. I'm going to try them both to see what the difference is. So let's do the Mario on this side since we have Mario on this side. I'm going to take a little bit of the blush and take it in with his brush. These colors I love. I'm definitely going to pick up a few more of his products. I cleaned off the brush and I'm going to go in with this color right here. Okay, they're very similar. The only difference is that this has more of a, I don't know how to explain it. It's almost like a glazed finish versus this is more doing, I mean, like my skin is just radiant all over, which is crazy, but I really, really like it. I'm going to bring my skin back to life using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I am obsessed with this. I bought the mini and I'm quickly going to get the full size because it's that good. We're going to use the Give by Gwen Stefani highlighter. These are the Check My Glow multi-dimensional illuminating highlighters in the shade Homegrown Glow, okay? You know what my favorite song from Gwen Stefani is? I think it's called Cool. I know you're cool. Cool. You guys know what I'm talking about. That is my favorite song. It reminds me of, I think, high school. I don't know why. This is a really pretty, like, subtle highlight. It's not sparkly. It's not glittery. It just looks like skin. Like your skin is glowing. So I really like that. Beautiful as you, beautiful as you are, 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 as you are. I added a little bit of Costa Rica from MAC onto the waterline just to bring the whole look together. I feel like this is the perfect fall slash autumn eyeliner, you need this in your collection. For my lips, I line them with the ABH Cool Brown Lip Liner. Now I'm going to go in with Warm Taupe and Honey Taupe. These are really pretty, and they're also the perfect like nude lip combo. So let's take Honey Taupe first and apply it. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Warm Taupe. Now the last thing I want to finish the face or the tutorial with are two things. One, we got to set the skin with the Jumbo Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Miss Charlotte Tilbury. And then we are going to finish off with the brand new Sol de Janeiro After Hours Midnight Jasmine and Amber Woods fragrance. This is limited edition. It is their new fall scent. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is literally so delicious. It's a little musky, it's a little woody, it has those beautiful jasmine notes. You can smell the amber as well. So this is the perfect transitional body spray if you are wanting to get something reasonably affordable. So that is a full face testing hyped new makeup, you guys. Oh my gosh, I actually really like the way the look turned out. I typically go for a cut crease, but I just wanted to keep it a little bit simple. This is giving like fall midnight vibes, pumpkin spice latte, kind of like firewood, I don't know, but it's giving fall vibes. So oh my gosh, you guys, I literally loved everything. The foundation definitely has to be the standout product for me. That is it. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.